appropriately analyzed the technique of how to connect moves together. So the idea is you make this list, you test them out, and then you decide, in this day and age, now we couldn't do this, 20 years ago, but you have the opportunity to do it today. What might be good is if you do, say, 5 executions of each one on camera to music that you enjoy, and see which one you like the aesthetic of, and remember which one you like the feeling of, and then focus on, pick the creme de la creme. You don't want to necessarily learn them all because you have more than 2 moves, but you want to pick maybe the top 1 or 2 to learn and put in your repertoire. Or take the top 1 or 2 or 4 and put them in an infinite combo to put them in your repertoire, right? But the idea is, this is how you create a way to go from A to B when you're jumping from the opposite direction matrix to the same direction matrix, or the same direction matrix to the opposite direction matrix. You go over the wall and you either turn or you don't, because you don't always have to turn. Yeah, I could do this, and now I'm in opposite direction, but I didn't change planes. So bump, 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 same direction. I'm going to stall my right hand, and then I'm going to come up into a hybrid. But I could come up into a 4-pedal anti-spin if I wanted to, and then I could stall again to go back to where I started. Right, so stall, hybrid, reversal into the 4-pedal anti-spin, stall, back to the 4-pedal where I started. And then, of course, for completeness, I would probably want to go and do that to that. Oh, that's not right. That to that to that to that, so that I went back to where I started on both sides and practiced it both ways. That's how I would build the infinite combo using those guys. So you don't have to turn to move between the matrices either. It doesn't look as, do you mean it doesn't look as complex? Well, okay. I mean, I'm doing it as a demonstration. I'm not doing it as like a performance. If I were to do something like that more as a performance, I would probably do it more like this business here, where I go like this into this, and then back into it, right? That's how I would perform it, where it does become more compelling visually, in my opinion.